Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope that you've been enjoying Learn to Read Violin Music Notes. We've now reached lesson 5 and now I just want to take a moment to congratulate you. You have made excellent progress learning the basics, things like note names, rhythms and where you can find them on the violin. And these fundamentals are absolutely essential because they form the foundation for everything that you'll learn from here on. By now, you've built the skills you need to move forward with confidence, and that's really exciting because it means you're ready to take the next step in your journey. From lesson 5 onwards, the rest of this course will be available inside the Silver membership, and that's also known as Henriette's Violin Club Silver level. So what does the Silver membership include? Well, first of all, it includes all the remaining lessons of the Learn to Read Violin Music Notes course, and there are 21 lessons in total. Just imagine how far that would get you. And there's also access to Henriette's Violin Club community, videos about how you can improve your sound on the violin, and more advanced violin technique and especially bowing technique. And here's the best part, you won't be learning alone because inside Henriette's Violin Club you'll be part of a supportive community of violin learners who are all on the same journey. So you'll be able to share your progress, get encouragement and know that you're not alone doing this by yourself. And joining the Silver membership is also a great way to make sure you stay consistent and motivated. And you've already proven that you can learn the basics. Now let's build on that and take your skills to the next level. So if you've enjoyed these first 4 lessons of your course and you're ready to continue your progress, I'd love to welcome you into the Silver membership. And you'll find the link to join right below this video. You've done amazing work so far, so don't stop here. The foundation is set and now it's time to grow. And I can't wait to see you inside Henriette's Violin Club. Bye bye.